Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water filter housing assembly in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flat screwdriver and a 5/16" nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water filter housing assembly. This water filter housing assembly is located under the refrigerator behind the front grill. It holds the water filter, allowing it to be easily replaced. If you notice the water puddle on the floor in front of the fridge, check the water filter housing for cracks and replace it if needed. We're going to start with opening both doors. Let's open the door here and pull out the filter. So I'm now going to remove the toe grill. I'm going to grab it at the bottom and pull it out, straight out. I'm going to close the door. It's on the way. To remove the filter housing, we need to take out these two 5/16" screws. For that purpose, I'm using a nut driver, and it's obviously 5/16. Next, I'm going to pull out slowly the water filter housing assembly. So we can expose these two water lines. And then I'm going to place the towel underneath. I suspect we're going to have some water coming out. And now there are locking collars. If you can see this, a red one and there's a white one there. So we need to take them out before we can remove that the water lines. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to pull it out. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the white one here. Do not throw away those locking rings because we're going to use them on the new water filter housing assembly. And now we can physically disconnect the lines. All right, now we're going to press in the locking collars and we're going to remove the tubing one at a time. And then the bottom one. Now we can remove the water filter housing assembly from the fridge. All right, I'm going to take out the towel. This is the old water filter housing assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new water filter housing assembly into the fridge, we need to mount these locking rings. The red goes on the larger one and the white one goes on the smaller one. Now I'm going to put them in. All right, now I'm going to install the new water filter housing assembly. I'm going to fish out a thin hose and we're going to install it into the bottom connector. Just squeeze it in. Make sure it goes in all the way. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the top one. Pull it out and insert it. And now we're going to place it back under the fridge. There's a foam support. Make sure it's in place. It goes over it. And they align the holes at the bottom. And we're going to secure it with a couple of 5/16" screws. All right, I'm going to align the holes and I'm going to install this 5/16 screw. using a 5/16" nut driver. Now I'm going to install the toe grill back on. These pins here on the sides are locking into these brackets here at the bottom. And we can press it in. Then we're going to open the door here. Now we can install the filter into the housing. As you can see at the back we have arrows, and they pointing this way, continuation of this arrow. So I push it in, and then close the door. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge in, open the water, and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.